For this week's meal with UCOOK, we have a big star in our company, the one and only Zola Nene.
Hi guys! What we're making is sweet soy trout and herbed pilaf.
Each week in the UCOOK meals, you get complimentary fridge magnets.
Look how cool it says, fly me to the moon.
Oh!
Anton, so for an amateur cook, you have a fancy fridge. My gosh, what a beauty.
Well, I gotta say, Zola, you're pretty handy with a knife as well. I'm glad we're friends and I'm not on your bad side.
Yeah, be careful.
You have been working really hard. So I'd like to give you a glass of Waterford Antigua.
Cheers.
Cheers!
What a great host you are.
Thank you. And a great chef as well.
Slow down.
Yeah. So now we're making the sauce.
Soy, chopped coriander. It looks like a bird's eye chili. So how
Okay.
spicy do you like it?
I'm very white.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What is that? What is that?
Someone said it's like a 2-year-old learning to cook.
Yeah. Now you're gonna put the trout in.
This was my go-to book, The Junior Cook.
I learned how to cook from this book.
I use it as a kid, you use it today. Same.
Let's play it up. No, really good.
Look what you made.
Thank you. Look what we made.
Look what we did.
You have some of the most beautiful stuff in your kitchen. Le Creuset, Smeg, wow.
This beautiful pot, as well as these spatulas and this roasting dish, are available and up for grabs for anybody that orders through UCOOK this week.